External bottle washing is a very significant process in 5-gallon bottling. I'm Taju Varghese from AlanTech. I had seen many occasions the bottles are not clean before it goes for the filling and capping. The main reason is the external washer is not performing well in many bottling lines. So external washer, why it is playing a very important role in bottling line? Because the bottles are coming from different locations. Sometimes it goes to garage, sometimes it goes to other workshops and industrial areas, and it always has some grease, oil, or any other substances on the top of the bottle. So when the bottles are unloaded to the bottling line, the first process is you remove the caps, then it goes to an external washing where the external surface of the bottle is cleaned well. So there are contaminants which need to be cleaned with very high care. Like for grease and oil, we could take it as an example. Need different detergents to clean the grease and oil than the other substances. So one of the important factor we consider in our external washing machine is the soaking of the bottle. So anything before cleaning, soaking is a very important step. So you have to soak the bottle with the chemical or detergent which is required for the cleaning first before it enter into the brushing stage. The brushing also has to be in a way that it reaches the every corner of the bottle. We call it as a 360-degree contact of the bottle so that it brushes out any contaminants on the surface of the bottle. After the brushing, the same important point is the rinsing of the bottle. So the chemicals, detergent, anything on the bottle surface has to be cleaned out so that the bottle is clean and perfect. So there are three steps importantly to be in an external washing machine. One is the soaking, then the brushing, adequate brushing, we call it as 360-degree brushing, then the rinsing after the brushing. So the time consumed in a bottle washer is significantly depends on the capacity of the line. So soaking need a specific time, then brushing need at least 2-3 times of the contact in every area of the bottle. Then the rinsing also need adequate quantity of water so that the bottles are clean. In our machine, we take care of these three factors very well, depends on the capacity, and we design the machine so that the output of the bottle is clean and when it goes to the internal washing machine, it will not contaminate the internal washer in the internal washing machine. Contact us if you are facing a difficulty in external washing machine. We will provide you the best possible solution.